Hey everyone, welcome back to the Utah housing market update, Utah real estate market update for the week of 11/3/2025. And for the first time in a long time, we've seen a drop in inventory. So let's break it down. Active listings fell by 326 units, which is a 2.54% drop. New listings are coming in around 920, which is also less. However, under contract listings are holding the same, and weekly listings have gone up a little bit. Price reductions have dropped over the past week. We didn't have as many price reductions as we had in the past. And if you notice here, we're averaging 66 days on market, which means we're holding steady. What this is saying is that the market is getting normal. The market is normalizing and staying consistent. Inventory decline, sales momentum 612 closings, third consecutive week of improvement. There's 830 cancellations or expireds, and that's a big story. There's 97% increase in the number of cancellations. And I think that's what's happening is that we're seeing seasonal sellers exit the market. Price reductions are down. So slower, steadier, smarter, more sustainable market. What we did notice nationally is that mortgage spreads have improved, which means that we are anticipating, if this continues, we'll anticipate 5.76 to 5.96% interest rates, which means that it would light a fire under the Q1 market. Here's the other thing that's kind of important. We have another month, 39 straight weeks of plus 20% purchase applications. So we're having more and more people apply for purchases to get a purchase mortgage. And that's been happening for 39 straight weeks. So there's a lot of people out there that want to buy a house, but they're being very strategic. And sellers, if you are interested in selling, you've got to price it right and be willing to wait a little bit because we're talking about at least 66 days if you price it correctly. One of the things I like to say is that you probably need to be in the top 20% of condition and the bottom 20% of pricing if you want to get your home sold quickly. If you want to know what's going on in your neighborhood or in your zip code, please just drop a comment or send me a DM, and I'm happy to help. Have a great day.